Thanks for stopping by Rusty Nuts Garage and the Things I Do. Today in part 12 of the Ram ProMaster camper build, I'll be installing Silas Thermal Shield Sound Deadener in the back of our 2025 Ram ProMaster 2500. So please enjoy.
I am going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface areas before we put the mat in place.
While Bev wiped the areas down twice with isopropyl alcohol, I cut the sound deadener and prepared it for the install.
Now that it is dry, we're going to peel and stick.
After we installed the sound deadener, we took the van for a test ride, and we really did not notice any difference in the sound. But after we put the insulation in, we noticed a big difference. It was a lot quieter. When we took the van out for a test ride, we noticed that the Max Air fan was rattling quite a bit. When we opened the vent, it would quit rattling. So I called the manufacturer in Wichita, Kansas, explained to them what the situation was, and they have a new kit on the way to repair that side as well. I'm going to put it in this tool right here. And you know what, the ones on the bottom that have it, let's put another piece just right over them, okay? Since we have plenty left over. Now that razor blade back.
Yeah, just a second.
And just like that, in less than an hour, the job was complete. In our next video, we'll be installing insulation in the walls of the Ram ProMaster 2500. The sound deadener was purchased from Amazon for $70, and we used a roller from Amazon. Thank you for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing.